Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about permission. In permission, we can check if the file or the directory is for us to read, write, execute, or there's no permission to access it at all by looking at the letter. R is read, W write, X execute, and dash is no permission. On the other hand, we can also look at the you can set the permission based on the number. Here, different numbers represent different things. Basically 0 no permission, 1 execute, 2 write, and so on is basically a combination of those permission. And also there are symbols, symbolic letters representing the permission. So for example, here you can check the permission of the file or directory by using ls-l. See, each directory will have their own permission, so why don't we make our own directory to change the permission of it. We will call it test, directory test. Okay, here we go, directory test with the permission of execute and I believe that's read. Yeah, execute and read. So to change the permission, we need to type in change mode and change the permission of that test into whatever we want. So for example, if I want to change to read, write, and execute, I just put change mode 777 and the directory name, so test, and then check it out. There we go. We have changed it to read, write, and execute. That's basically it for the permission. You can change it to anything else you want. Okay, moving on to sticky bits. Basically, it changes the permission of the directory into a way that only the creator can delete the file, no one else. Other user cannot do it. So to change that, we just put change mode and then number 1 to and then 777 with the name of the directory, like so. Change mode 1777 and test. Check it out. Here, test. We know it is a sticky bit. We assign the sticky bit to the directory test by looking at the permission. There's a letter T here that represents the sticky bit. Other user cannot delete the directory, the test directory we created, because the sticky bit, but the owner can. So like so, -d and test. Yes. And there you go. As you can see, the test directory is gone. Okay, moving on to umask. Umask is basically the default permission for newly created file. So like so. Let us just make another test directory. Okay, so for this new test directory, again, it's this type of permission, read and execute and read. So we can change the right now. Before we change anything, we can check the current mask by using checking the current mask by using umask or umask-s, like so. Sorry. Umask. See? Similar concept as above. The numbers represent the type of permission, like so. Our current one is 0022, so it's read and execute. So to change the default UMAS, just put UMAS and the number that you want to change it to. So for example here, you can change it to no permission by typing in UMAS. Now the newly created directory will default to this new assigned permission as the default. Like so, let us make another directory and let's call it test2. Okay. We haven't changed anything about the test one. I mean the test directory, and we can see that the newly created test2 directory has been assigned the default permission as no permission, which is represented by these multiple dashes. Well, that's basically it. Thank you everyone for tuning in. We will see you next time with new Linux notes. Thank you.